This is the air oven. Well, that's me. I'm the one your old appliances keep talking about. I can air fry, bake, grill, toast, and dehydrate. Why go for any other? Just pick me. My curves, seamless design is so cool. And my efficient cooking range is hot. Let's steam things up. Pump the music, please. Thanks to the turbo air circulation technology, get food which uses almost no oil. That's just one side of the story. I've got dual heating for superior control too. All's well that tastes great with even cooking. It's more than just appliances. It lives like you. Perfect inside, compact outside.